How to make a YouTube playlist private. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create a YouTube playlist that is completely private to you. So even if you have a public channel, you can still create private playlists on YouTube. So in order to do that, you're going to have to create a playlist. So tap on the three dots on the video that you want to add to your playlist, tap on Save to Playlist, and then create a new one. So let's just name it Private. Once you've named your YouTube playlist, you can tap on Create. And under Visibility, you just need to make sure that public one is not selected. You could just select Private and then tap on Create. Once you've created your playlist, you can add more videos to that. So let's just add this one as well. Save to Playlist and then tap on Private. Now tap on Done and it has automatically added the video to your private playlist. Let me just go to the U section down below at the bottom right. And under playlist, let me just find the one called private. And I can just go ahead and tap on view all and select your playlist. So here is the private playlist. Now, if you want to edit it and make it public, you could do that as well. You can tap on this pencil icon to edit its privacy. Go to visibility, make it public, tap on save. Now, anyone on or off YouTube can easily find the playlist if they have the link. And if you want to make it private again, tap on it, go to visibility, and then make it private. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.